How you doing, everybody? For this week's workshop task, we have to make a video on the problem of from 2 to 4 dx over 8x minus 9 minus x squared to the power of 3 on 2. So the first thing we're going to do with this problem is take the denominator off to the side, and because it's in the form minus x squared, we want to change that around. So we're going to times it by minus 1. So that turns into minus x squared minus 8x plus 9. Alright. So to complete the square for this, we're going to take the 8x, turns into 4, so 4 squared is 16. So we're going to go x squared minus 8x plus 16. So to complete that, we just minus the 16 off that, minus 16, and then bring the 9 down, and plus the 9. The writing's a bit messy, but you'll get the best idea of it. So to take this, we say that that's a quadratic. Right, now we're going to factorise that quadratic. So it turns into x minus 4 squared. Right, and then minus 16 plus 9 is obviously minus 7. So that goes to minus 7. To make this easier, put into the table standard integrals over there, which we'll show you later. We're just going to times it back out by minus 1. So it turns into 7 minus x minus 4 all squared.
So our integral is now in this form, and using u substitution we'll let u equal x minus 4, we get u equals dx, and using values for x and u we get 4, 0 and minus 2, and that gives us an integral from minus 2 to 0 of du over 7 minus u squared all to the power of 3 on 2.
Okay, so we have this integral here, which we can relate to the 23, which can be found in the table of integrals. So if we change the form around to integrate it out, we can see that we have 1 over a squared is 7, times x, in this case x is u. On the bottom we have square root of a squared, which is 7, minus u squared. Okay, now because we have limits, we have to sub them in, and we have 0 and negative 2. Okay, so what we're going to do now is sub those limits in. So we'll put in 0, we have 1 over 7 times 0 over square root of 7 minus 0 squared. Okay, so we can easily see that 0 is going to cancel it all out, so we have nothing there. Putting the negative 2 in, we have 1 over 7 times negative 2 over square root of 7 minus negative 2 squared. Okay, so now we can see that we have, if we times that out, we have negative 2 over 7 square root 7 minus negative 2 squared becomes 7 minus 4, so we have square root of 3, and then to finish off we can times out our negative 1 to be left with 2 over 7 square root of 3.